Hello everyone, this lesson is about present continuous. In this tutorial, you will learn and understand how we form present continuous, when we use the present continuous, and at the end of the video, you will find some exercises to check your knowledge. I highly recommend you to review your knowledge by doing the exercises. If you're not sure about something, play the tutorial again and feel free to ask me. So let's start.
Positive form. I am, he, she, it is, we, you, they are. Reading, eating, listening, working, playing. Negative form. I am not, he, she, it is not, we, you, they are not. Reading, eating, listening, working, playing. And question form. Am I, is, he, she, it, are, we, you, they, reading, eating, listening, working, playing. Let's make it clear on one example. You see the red spots, you need to pay attention on those things. So, positive. Emily is reading a newspaper. You can also say she is reading a newspaper. Negative. Emily is not reading a newspaper. You can also say she isn't reading a newspaper. And question, is Emily reading a newspaper? And is she reading a newspaper? Okay, now we know how to form a present continuous. Let's see when we should use the present continuous. 1. Events happening now. We use the present continuous to express the idea that something is happening now, at this very moment. It can also be used to show that something is not happening now. Here are some examples. I am working. She is wearing a hat. I am not watching television. 2. Actions in progress, temporary situations. We use the present continuous to say that we are in the process of doing a longer action which is in progress. However, we might not be doing it at this exact second. So, here are some examples. I am studying to become a doctor. I am reading the new book. I am working in London. 3. Events in the near future. We use the present continuous to indicate that something will or will not happen in the near future. Let's see a few examples. Tim is leaving for Hanover next week. I am not going to the party tonight. Is he visiting his parents next week? Non-continuous verbs. Non-continuous verbs are verbs that cannot be used in continuous form. These verbs are usually things you cannot see somebody doing. Some of them are want, cost, need, own, like, love, hate, dislike. So these things you cannot see somebody doing. Let's make it clear. You cannot say she is needing help. That is not correct. The correct sentence would be she needs help. And as I promised, exercise for the end.